Have you ever promised yourself that this month would be different? You tell yourself you're finally going to manage your money properly. You create a budget. You write down every expense. You make a plan, and for a few days, everything goes well. Then life happens. A dinner with friends, an online sale, an unexpected expense, a few impulse purchases. Before you know it, you've stopped following your budget completely. If this has happened to you, don't worry. You're not alone. The truth is, most budgets fail, but not because people are bad with money. Most budgets fail because they're too complicated. Many people create budgets that track every single dollar. They try to control every expense. They make dozens of categories. And after a few weeks, the process becomes exhausting. Eventually, they give up. That's why budgeting often gets a bad reputation. People think budgeting means restricting yourself, never having fun, saying no to everything you enjoy. Imagine you're driving to a destination you've never visited before. Without a map, you'll probably make wrong turns and waste time. A budget works like a financial map. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The problem is that most people spend money first and think about it later. They pay bills, go shopping, eat out, buy things online. Then, at the end of the month, they hope there's something left to save. Unfortunately, there usually isn't. This is why so many people feel stuck financially. It's not always because they don't earn enough. It's often because they don't have a simple system for managing what they earn. And that's where the 50-30-20 budget rule comes in. Unlike complicated budgeting methods, this rule is easy to understand and easy to follow. Instead of tracking hundreds of small expenses, you focus on 3 simple categories. The idea is simple. 50% of your income goes to your needs. 30% goes to your wants. 20% goes to savings and investing. That's it. No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every cup of coffee, no spending hours calculating tiny expenses. Just 3 simple categories. What makes this rule so powerful is that it creates balance. You can still enjoy your life, you can still spend money on things you love, but you're also making sure you're saving for the future. Many people think financial success comes from earning a huge salary, but there are people who earn a lot of money and still struggle financially. Why? Because no matter how much they earn, they spend all of it. At the same time, there are people with average incomes who build wealth because they manage their money wisely. The difference isn't always income. It's object gives your money a purpose. At the same time, there are people with average incomes who build wealth because they manage their money wisely. The difference isn't always income. Its opposite gives your money a purpose. Over the next few parts, you'll learn how this simple budgeting system works. It helps you reduce stress, save money, and take control. Budgeting isn't about limiting freedom. It's about giving controlling you.